Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually add CrossFit inside of your MyFitnessPal. So first of all guys, as always, if you don't have it in your phone, just go ahead and open App Store if you are using iOS and download it from there. If you are using, for example, Android, you can just go to Google Play and download it from there. If you are using PC like me, you just have to open any kind of browsers and then click into the URL and put myfitnesspal.com, and just like so, this window will be opened for you. But it will not be the same. So you'll have to create an account, put your email, password, and then some informations like your height, your weight, and your goal. And then some information like if you are active or you move a lot, you do a lot of exercises or so. So now, after we've done with that, what you have to do is go to add exercises. And here, if you have already so if you want to add exercises and we search for CrossFit, so let's search here. You will find that CrossFit already belongs in here. So they have the CrossFit in their database. So for example, if you search, for example, for CrossFit and you click on it, and here you put, for example, for 20 minutes. So here they will show you how much calories you burned, and you can actually add the exercise into your day. So as you can see, if I remove all of this, so really quick, let me just remove that, and remove this. So let me just remove this as well, and here it is, 205 calories burned in 20 minutes. Of course, you can create your own category of CrossFit if you go to here, my exercises, and you create an exercises, and here you just write CrossFit, and you add a number to make it yours, and here you add the minute, for example 45, and here how many calories, for example 400, and you click on add. You will find it in here as well. So yeah guys, that's how you can do it. Thanks a lot for watching and see ya in the next tutorial.